In a clean pot, add broccoli, cauliflower, and pumpkin. Add water. Add small salt. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Toast the green pepper and set aside. In a clean pot, add soya oil, red and green bell pepper, stir fry. Add a pinch of salt. Add a few drops of soy sauce. This is ready. Take them out. Broccoli and cauliflower cook in about the same amount of time, 3 to 5 minutes, for florets to be tender crisp. You can check for doneness by piercing the florets with a fork. They should be tender but still have a slight crunch. Back to the bell pepper. Add onions. Add chili pepper. Add few drops of fish seasoning. Add the broccoli and cauliflower. Toast for 1 second. It's all done. Set aside. See how attractive and delicious it looks. Now, let's begin cooking the chicken. In a clean pot, add chicken, add water, add onions, add seasonings, mix well. Allow to boil. Add chili pepper, allow to cook. The chicken is done. Take out the chicken. The chicken should be soft and juicy. Set the chicken broth aside for later use. In a clean pot, add tomato sauce with all. Add chicken broth bit by bit. Mix well until you have a consistency that is not too thick or too watery. Add black pepper. Add cornstarch. Stir well. Now add the chicken and mix well. This looks so yummy. It's mouth-watery. It is very juicy and a bit spicy. You need to try this. Lastly, add soy sauce and mix thoroughly. You can serve this with either rice or pasta. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section. Enjoy delicious chicken and veggie stir fry. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.